This video is about floor plans. We did a video about how to find a floor plan suiting your needs. This video is more oriented on our floor plans, Avrame floor plans, on the models we provide. We did a video a while back from a Trio 57 built here in Estonia, and we got a lot of feedback about floor plan, that the stair wasn't positioned in a very logical place, but this was a custom-made solution for one particular customer, and he liked it this way. Your house doesn't have to be this way, or it doesn't have to be the way on our standard drawings. It can be altered, and dormers can be added, and terraces, and entrance door to be moved on the other side. We can mirror the plan, we can flip it vertically or horizontally, so it's all pretty easy. The most important thing I want you to understand is the standard drawings you see on our website. The interior floor planning can be very easily modified. Since A-frame type of houses, they don't have load-bearing interior walls. So all the interior walls are just partition walls. You can lose them, you can add them, you can move them. It's pretty easy and has very little effect to the cost of the house. We can make our homes longer or shorter, but we can't make them wider or narrower. So for example, Trio models are, the inside width is 6.2 meters or 20 something feet. This is one constraint. We recommend you check out some pages on our website. One is avrame.com/drawings, where everything about customizing drawings and costs associated to customizing are described. And then we have avrame.com/views-and-plans. And there you can download the standard drawings in PDF format with both metric and imperial measurements, or SketchUp files, so you can play with the designs a little. The best way to go with it is you choose a model, you download the drawings, you play with it a little, you talk to your family, make sure that you have everything you need on the plan, and then you will go to your local municipality and ask a sort of a pre-approval, whether they approve this plan to your area. In some urban areas, the roof pitch is regulated, so A-frame may not be suitable in this area. In some rural areas, they have no restrictions, so please make sure that you can actually build the A-frame. And we don't want you to spend any money with us before you don't have this pre-approval. There is no need to pay for customized drawings or something and then find out that the government doesn't want me to build this kind of house. So get this pre-approval and then come to the page avrame.com/drawings and you can order the customization. Our other digital product, 100 Questions, can be helpful in all these stages, even asking the pre-approval from municipality, because better you prepare yourself for the process, better is the outcome. This is a fact. Choosing the right floor plan or right model, you should also check some local requirements, because for example, Trio 57 is 5.7 meters long, and it's very compact, and it's meant mostly for holiday cabins or rental cabins. Trio 75 is 7.5 meters long, and it does have one bedroom downstairs. In some areas of Europe, there is a code, a requirement that you need to have at least one bedroom downstairs, in case if you break your legs or if somebody breaks your legs, you can't get upstairs to sleep, and or for disabled people. And Trio 100, it's 10 meters long and it has one quite big proper bedroom downstairs. When we worked out our model range, the biggest model was 30100, and then we realized that in US, in some areas, you have a minimal requirement on the building area, and 30100, our biggest model, didn't meet it. So especially for US, we worked out 30120 and 30150, and they've been quite popular also in the other areas. We've been sending them to Japan and Europe in various areas. And yeah, it's funny that most of our models are really compact, and we kind of promote compact living just to pay and maintain spaces what you need. And when we sold the first one to US, it was the biggest one we ever did, and then we found out that the guy was actually downsizing. His previous house was like over 2,000 square feet, and he downsized to 1,600. So yeah, compare those plans and find which meets the local requirement and which meets your needs. Getting your new A-frame built, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, and this process, it can be quite lengthy, but can be also quite smooth if you follow certain steps. And we have all these pages on our website to guide you and help you, and all these digital products, so use them. They are there for you.